Hello, student. Myself, Dr. Veena Gurre, professor in Sage Industry, Bhopal. Student, today I'm going to explain you about the mentorship. Mentorship. What is mentorship? Like mentoring when someone share their knowledge, skill, and experience with another person to help them to progress. Mentorship is like protected relationship in which a more knowledgeable or experienced person guides and nurtures the professional development. And the ownership is the realization that we alone have the power and right to make choices in our lives. Motivation. Motivation can be defined as a willingness to work to expend energy to achieve a goal or reward that deal as we said. You can say student inspiration and enthusiasm, right? A feeling that most people would describe as a want or a need. Advice. Advice is also called observation, is form of relating personal or institutional opinion, belief, system values, or guidance. Advice is often offered as a guide to action and or conduct. Advice is a noun that refers to the act of giving an opinion or suggestion that is given. We always give advice even when no one asks for it. Success. Success is like practice, instruction, training, learning. A mentor will support you, cheer you, and provide feedback, advice, and help you define and reach your goal. You can say success is a relative term. If you achieve what you want to and are happy, then I think that is success. It could be applied to life. Direction. Direction, the setting direction stage in the relationship involves setting goals. The sense of purpose and working out what that short term, medium term, and long term direction might be. Direction is the particular way to get from one place to another. Coaching. Coaching is a very necessary thing for the mentoring, a process in which a professional coach guides a business person in the pursuit of their work goal. Like it's a partnership between coach and client. The coach helps the client to achieve their personal best and to produce the result they want to their personal and professional life. Support. Mentorship and support is each other the part of the thing. Mentorship is a form of one-to-one support where a more experienced colleague uses their knowledge, skill, and sometimes their connection to help someone with their current and future challenges. Help and encouragement that you give a person or thing. If you support someone or their idea or aims, you agree with them and perhaps help them because you want them to succeed. Thank you.